microwave. Iron will.
Oh, wait.
Put it on. Put it on. Is it on? It's not on. It's not switched on.
Best scrambled eggs I've ever had in my life.
Switch it on, sure, obviously.
Oh my god, nice. Community big trouble. Sweet god. Best scrambled eggs ever.
That was quick.
It's only one egg.
I used to love scrambled egg when I was wee. Then
I love scrambled eggs.
I got to a stage.
It makes me think about it anymore.
I used to love them, then I got to a stage where I just thought, I don't like scrambled eggs anymore. I just don't like them.
Oh no, what did they put in the microwave?
Oh, but it's not.
What did they put in the microwave?
Don't know.
It's all that.
Yay!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, you bastard! This guy blew my face!
Oh my god!
It's coming soon!
That way. Where is
Oh, here it comes!
Sean, stop moving, I might take this.
It's coming soon! The brillo pan. Here it comes!
Steel wheel, it's not bro, but it's steel wheels.
Here it comes! You ready?
Stop it.
You ready?
You're messing it!
Oh, aye. Oh, come on it! Fuck, Sean!
Let's see it, open it.
Put a CD. No, obviously Lindy first, like, that's going to try. There we go. That smells like chicken.
Here's the chicken.
Like